Defining your big picture, dreams, goals in life. I woke up one morning asking myself what I could do to improve my life and benefit the world. Have you ever heard the phrase, the purpose of life is a life of purpose? It's both interesting and essential to understand that nothing in life can start until you get started. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. The fun in discovery comes from the excitement of exploring the unknown, the uncertainty and doubts faced when on a journey. Now imagine you're an explorer looking for an uncharted land. You have no idea where you will go or what the outcome will be, yet you know that there is something out there for you. Just be brave and journey on, and when you do, you'll notice what a great discovery it is. It's not just the physical things you've found, but also what you've discovered about yourself during the journey. From today onwards, let's all make some discoveries about how beautiful the world is, and finally discover more about ourselves. Everything starts from nothing. That's the creation process. From one dream, anything can be brought to life. The manifestation of one dream has the potential to create a whole new world for you. This challenge for you is, do you believe that one dream can change your life? Do you believe that one dream can change the world? One man had a vision of a workstation running his software on every desk and eventually in every home. That guy was none other than Bill Gates, the founder and CEO of Microsoft. His simple dream was manifested in the form of an American multinational computer technology corporation, and today he is a billionaire because of it. Here's another example. Two PhD students at Stanford University, Larry Page and Sergey Brin, began a research project in January of 1996. Their dream was to organize the world's information and make it universally acceptable and useful. Together, they produced the world's first and best search engine on the Internet. Today, Google's net worth is estimated to be at $350 billion. Again, a simple dream not only changed the lives of two students, but revolutionized the Internet's usage around the world. So what is your dream? Your mind is free to create anything you want to, as long as it resonates with your heart. How many of us have actually been giving thought to this and creating new ideas to make them come alive?